So here's the hard one. I got the absolute value of 3x minus 5 is bigger than or equal to 1. So what that means is this stuff here, 3x minus 5, is further from 0 than 1 is, right? So if I think about that, I think I need a number line. So here's 0. And remember, I'm not talking about x, I'm talking about 3x minus 5, which is kind of a pain in the butt. But it's further from 0 than 1 is. So here's 1, there's negative 1, right? And so I'm talking about stuff that's out here, filled in dot, or stuff that's out here, filled in dot. So that means that I can break this into two pieces, right? On the right-hand side, 3x minus 5 could be bigger than or equal to 1. On the left-hand side, right, on the other hand, literally, 3x minus 5 could be smaller than or equal to negative 1. Either of those is an option. You guys see this? All right. So now what? Now, I think I need to solve, right, for x. So, same steps, right? I'm going to add 5 to both sides of this one. So I'm going to get 3x is bigger than or equal to 6. I'm going to divide by 3. So I'm going to get x is bigger than or equal to 2. Same deal over here. I'm going to add 5 to both sides. So I'm going to get 3x is less than or equal to, what? 4, I think? Uh-oh, fractions. Crap. Bad example. All right. Then I think I need to divide by 3. So I'll get x is less than or equal to 4/3, whatever the heck that is. So remember, this is either x is smaller than 4/3 or x is bigger than 2. That's one way to write, right? That's one of my answers. That's my, which one? Inequality answer, I think? Okay, number line answer? No, that's not your number line answer, right? That was just a tool I used. So my number line answer says, okay, I need to peg 4/3, and I need to peg 2. 4/3, by the way, is like one and also another third, so it's smaller than 2. And I'm going from there, fill in dot, go left, and from 2, I'm filling in a dot and going right. You see that? So now, what? That's my answer, right? How about interval notation? I think on interval notation, I need to talk about this part. So I need to go from minus infinity up to 4/3. And I want to include 4/3. And minus infinity is not a number, so it doesn't get included. And then I also want to put in 2. Close that one, right? Because filled in dot. Because of that equal sign back at the beginning. And I'm running out to positive infinity, and that needs an open bracket. And then I need to somehow stick these together, right? So I need to say, this stuff's okay, that stuff's also okay. So I need to pool my resources, right, with the union basket. So my answers are any of these guys, right? This stuff. I got my inequality answer, I got my number line answer, I got my interval answer. Good to freaking go. Punchline of this, when you get confused about what to do, maybe just say, okay, I'm just going to talk about whatever this stuff is as like, hey, this is blah, I'm just going to cross this out, I'm going to call this Z or something. And now I'm going to make a Z number line and talk about where that is on there. That'll help me organize my thoughts and get my inequalities right out of the gate. Cool? Another option that's a little bit less of a good idea is you could make this equals, solve it out, that'll get you to 4/3 and 2. And then you could figure out whether you're talking about the inside in between them or the outsides outside of them. That is not a great approach, but it totally works.